In this video, we listed the 5 best solar security camera on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. INQMEGA PTZ Solar Camera. The INQMEGA 5MP Wi-Fi Wireless PTZ Solar Camera is a versatile outdoor security solution designed for seamless monitoring without the need for wiring or electricity bills. With a high-resolution capability of 4MP, it delivers clear and smooth images, capturing detailed changes in the surveillance area. This camera is powered by solar energy, ensuring uninterrupted functionality both day and night, thanks to its built-in battery and solar panel integration. Featuring advanced functions such as PIR motion detection, it activates recording upon detecting movement and sends alert notifications through their connected app. Users can remotely control the camera's pan tilt zoom (PTZ) feature, allowing for a 355 degrees horizontal rotation and a 90 degrees vertical tilt via an app. Additionally, its dual-way audio functionality enables users to communicate through the camera, while the IP66 rating ensures durability against various weather conditions. The camera supports multiple storage methods, including TF card and cloud storage, providing reliable backup for recorded audio and video footage. Overall, it represents an innovative approach to smart home security. Number 2. LS Vision Solar Camera. The LS Vision LS MS3A is a cutting-edge solar-powered PTZ security camera designed for optimal surveillance and convenience. Equipped with 3 lenses providing a total of 12 MP resolution, including a 4 MP main lens, this camera supports both 4G and Wi-Fi connectivity for flexible internet access. Its features include a 120-degree wide-angle lens, 10x optical zoom, and dual PIR human detection for enhanced monitoring capabilities. The camera boasts advanced functionalities like auto-tracking, two-way audio communication, and the ability to record continuously or on trigger events. Moreover, it incorporates dual light night vision modes and a robust IP66 waterproof rating, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. With a 6W solar panel and built-in 12,000 mAh battery, the camera offers year-round operation and supports remote access via the NIVU app on iOS and Android devices. Storage options include cloud and SD card, up to 128 GB, capabilities, making it efficient for capturing and saving crucial footage. The LS MS3A can be easily installed in multiple orientations, providing versatile placement options for comprehensive security coverage. Number 3. LS Vision Solar Camera. The LS Vision 4MP 2K multi-purpose outdoor 4G solar camera is an advanced security solution designed for both indoor and outdoor use, providing reliable monitoring with versatile connectivity options. Powered by a 15,000 mAh built-in battery and a 5W solar panel, it eliminates the need for a constant power supply, making installation flexible and cable-free. Featuring a 360 degrees viewing angle, CMOS sensor for high-quality video, and night vision capabilities with an IR distance of 30 meters, this camera ensures comprehensive surveillance day and night. Users can monitor activity through the U-Box app, which facilitates remote access and two-way audio communication. It supports TF cards up to 128G for flexible storage and offers smart features like motion detection, energy-efficient smart sleep mode, and cloud storage options. With an IP66 waterproof rating, this camera is built to withstand harsh weather conditions while providing a robust security presence to enhance peace of mind without the need for subscription fees. Number 4. SHIWOJIA Solar Camera. The SHIWOJIA Model 598 is a high-performance security camera designed for versatile monitoring with advanced features. It boasts a dual-lens system, combining a bullet camera with a 20x optical zoom PTZ camera, enabling users to capture both wide-angle and detailed images up to 50 meters in night vision thanks to dual laser and infrared lights. Powered by a 12,000 mAh lithium battery and a 6W solar panel, it offers continuous operation without the need for frequent recharging. The camera supports two-way audio, Bluetooth connection, and AI functions such as humanoid detection and tracking, making it a robust choice for outdoor surveillance. With an IP66 waterproof rating, multiple installation options, and the ability to preset monitoring positions, it ensures reliable performance in various environmental conditions. The SHIWOJIA 598 also features high-definition 8MP image quality and supports multiple storage methods to safeguard recorded data. Number 5. ANRAN 2K Solar Security Camera. The ANRAN C3 is a 2K HD outdoor surveillance camera designed for efficient, round-the-clock monitoring with a focus on advanced features and versatility. It is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery and integrated solar panel, eliminating the need for wired connections and allowing for flexible placement in sunny locations. With a high-resolution 3MP sensor and color night vision capabilities, the camera offers detailed visuals even in low-light conditions. Its key functionalities include human detection, motion-triggered recording, two-way audio communication, and IP66 waterproofing for reliable outdoor use. The camera connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, supports up to 128 GB of SD card storage, and offers free cloud storage options for video management. The unit is compatible with mobile systems, including Android and iOS, and can be integrated with smart home platforms like Alexa and Google Assistant for enhanced automation and control over your home security.